Hello student, today we are going to study 8th standard maths in that second chapter parallel lines and transversal. Let's see its content. These are mainly four content. Here we are studying first parallel line, then transversal. Third point is angle formed by transversal, only by transversal, and the angles formed by parallel lines and transversal. Let's see its first part. Parallel lines. Here you can see two lines, line A and line B. If you extend it, it will never intersect each other. So these lines are called parallel lines. It means line A is parallel with line B and it is denoted by this symbol. Let's see our second point, that is transversal. Here in this figure, line A and line B, these are any type of line, and line C is their transversal because this line C intersect these two lines at two distinct points, point P and point Q. So it is defined as if a line intersects given two lines in two distinct points, then that line is called transversal of those lines. It means here line C intersect two lines, that is line A and line B, at two distinct points, means at point P and at point Q respectively. Therefore, this line C is a transversal of line A and line B. Let's move for our third point, that is angles made by transversal. Here, due to this line C, there are four angles are made at point P and similarly at point Q also. So there are total 8 newly formed angles are made. Therefore, these angles are grouped in different pair of angles. Let's see it. These pairs are first one corresponding angle, second interior, and third one is alternate angle. Let's study first corresponding angles. If the arms on the transversal of a pair of angles are in the same direction and the other arm on the same side of transversal, then it is called a pair of corresponding angles. In other simple words, the pair of angles which are at the same side of transversal and at the either upper otherwise downward direction of lines, then such a pair is called corresponding pair. Let's study it. Here in this figure, here I am using our left side and upward direction, left side to transversal and upward direction to lines. So here is a first angle XPR, and second one its corresponding pair is this one, angle PQT. Now see at downward direction, angle RPQ, and the second one is its corresponding angle is TQY. Now see your right hand side and at upward direction. So here is a angle XPS, its corresponding angle is PQU. Similarly at downward direction SPQ and QUQY. So these are the four pairs of corresponding angles. Let's see the next one, interior angles. Interior angle means a pair of angles which are on the same side of transversal and inside the given line. So such a pair is called interior angles of those lines. So here I am using left hand side and interior side, inside line A and line B. So here is the first angle, angle RPQ. Its interior angle is angle PQT. Now use your right hand side. So angle SPQ, its interior angle is PQU. Now see the next one, alternate angles. There are two alternate angles, interior alternate and exterior alternate. Let's study first interior alternate angles. A pair of angles in opposite direction of a transversal and inside the lines are called interior alternate angles. It means here we are using opposite direction of transversal and inside the lines, that is line A and line B. So here I am using first towards left hand side angle RPQ. Its interior alternate angle is PQU. Second one is angle SPQ. Its interior alternate angle is angle PQT. Now let's study the next one, exterior alternate angle. A pair of angles which are opposite of transversal and outside the lines are called exterior alternate angle. It means opposite to transversal and outside the lines, line A and line B. Angle XPR, its exterior alternate angle is angle QUQY. Again I am using next one, angle XPS. Its exterior alternate angle is angle TQY. So these are the angles made by transversal. Thank you for watching. Let's see you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye.